Watch the ride.
Is that really still... Hello everyone, sorry. Right, there is a pasta salad thing that has been in there on that thing since COVID. Lockdowns, I'm sure of it. The juice inside that will either make you live forever or die in about 4 seconds. So my plan today was to get out and make some videos because tomorrow's raining and I want to do work on the DRZ in the garage, you know, planning ahead. And as you can see, as soon as I got off the island, it rained. So I ended up doing my last job, which was going to the shop, and now I'm just going back home again. Honestly, this greyness, sad, seasonally affected disorder. Don't reverse into me, just drive forward. I don't want to tempt fate here, but if you watch my videos regularly, you know about the emergency clutch replacement that failed, and then I made another one using a trick. Well, I'm still on that cable, and it seems to be fine. Yeah, that's what they do now. No one knows how that junction works, so they always, for some reason, go to the right-hand lane and then end up wanting the far left one. I do have problems with the grey weather. I get that's the sad thing, you know, seasonally affected disorder. It just destroys my energy levels. Just no sun, no colours, and all the greyness. I understand it, and I decided this year I was going to do my best to just ignore it and move on until the sun comes out. And so far this year, I'm probably doing better with it than ever because I'm actually thinking about it. Like I'm prepared. Is that ambulance going to come past me? Is it? Yeah, it is. The ambulance. The app behind it. What more do you need to know about the difference between bikers and car drivers, really? I saw that on the roundabout before it even got to me. This person in this car decided that obviously if I'm pulling over to one side, that means I'm letting them through. And then they realise bikers generally, even though we have a bad rep, are far more alert than car drivers. This was supposed to be tomorrow's weather. But it's fine, it's chill, it's cool. I've made a couple of videos today still. They're in the peeing rain. You're blatantly not indicating either. No, don't rant. Why would someone pulling out of a side turning onto a main road onto an island think that indication was required? How bad is it? Oh, you dick. I can do this. Could you slow down a little bit? Why do I choose to do this to myself? This is an interesting thing, this. This road, as I mentioned in a video recently as well, has been flooded now for about 2 months. And apparently the council need to come and investigate why. Can you see that field is 2 feet higher than the road? And that field is 2 feet higher than the road. Well, years ago, there used to be these ditches either side of this road with gravel in them. And then they filled those in, because who needs ditches that people can drive into? Who needs ditches indeed? Now, I may have said that I'm dealing well with the old seasonally affected disorder and the greyness this year, but I cannot and will not abide idiocy. Oh, this is lovely. So good. You lied to me, weather app. You said it was not... This was at like 3 in the morning this morning when I was planning today. I looked at the weather and was like, well, okay, no rain. bastards. Now, you know. Your side is my side is your side. Let's all just drive on the wrong side of the road. Into your face, into your face. What a disgrace, into your face. So yes, I'm doing my best to make videos where I can, working around this weather which has been god awful for ages. I've got videos I've been supposed to have done a month ago that I'm still waiting on decent weather to be able to go and do. It's very frustrating. But yeah, if you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, and if you want to help support this channel, you can do that through Patreon. And a massive thank you to my patrons who have been supporting me all winter through these grey times. Man, I really appreciate you guys, and people on Discord. Bye bye.